Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skylanders on PC. Many fans want to revisit the magical world of Skylands, and with modern technology, it is entirely possible to enjoy these classic games on your computer. We will cover the essential software, how to set up your portal, and get your favorite Skylanders ready for adventure. Let's dive in and bring those beloved characters back to life. To begin your journey, you will need an emulator. Dolphin is excellent for earlier Skylanders games from the Wii console, while Cemu handles the Wii U titles, covering a wider range of the series. You will also need the game files, often called ROMs, for the specific Skylanders adventures you wish to play. Always ensure your computer has sufficient processing power and memory for the best experience. Next, let's talk about the portal of power. If you have a physical portal from a Wii, Wii U, or PlayStation console, you can connect it via USB. You might need a driver utility, such as Zadig, to ensure your computer recognizes it properly. For those without a physical portal, many emulators feature a convenient virtual portal. This allows you to select and swap characters directly within the emulator's interface, offering full gameplay without extra hardware. With your emulator and portal ready, it is time to play. Load your Skylanders game file into the emulator. Take a moment to configure your controller settings, ensuring comfortable and responsive gameplay. You can also fine-tune graphics and performance options to suit your computer's capabilities. Once everything is set, place your favorite Skylander on the physical portal or select them from the virtual portal and embark on an epic adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.